Hi, what's up guys? This is Alexander Bosko, and today I have an unboxing of the Apple Watch. It got repaired from Apple, and this is the replacement one. It just comes with the watch itself, so let's open this guy up here. And you get this AppleCare service thing and stuff like that. And here's the device. Here it is, guys. So, take a look at it around. Here's my current watch. Here it is. Okay. Let me get my band for it to put it back on. Let's get it out of the wrapping. Okay. I missed this while it was gone for repair. It's off. Here it is. Wow. This is the replacement Apple Watch. As I just said, this is the replacement. And let's see what's under here. Nothing. So, here it is. Let's power this guy on to see if it works. If not, then I have to charge it. Yes, it's turning on, guys. It's turning on. It's turning on, so guys, and this is what it looks like for the unboxing of the replacement Apple Watch. You get back from Apple after repair. If you have AppleCare, please leave this video a like, a comment, and subscribe for more unboxing videos, and more gaming videos, and more plush videos, and more reviews and tutorials. And please turn on the bell notifications for more videos, and subscribe if you are new. And this will be Alexander Bosko sign off, and peace out. Bye guys.